MINIX ER937-AI Mini PC review. Ryzen AI power in a tiny box. You sit down to finish a critical project before the deadline, and your current mini PC starts stuttering through the final render, fans screaming like a jet engine while your coffee gets cold. That exact moment happened to a freelance animator I know last week when her compact workstation simply gave up mid-export. Brutal. The frustration compounds quietly across every render, every export, every time you need to switch between applications without the system collapsing under the load. A friend in finance described the constant anxiety of watching his numbers recalculate slowly on a machine that should be handling spreadsheets effortlessly. The noise alone is enough to drive you out of the room. You try better cooling, tweak power settings, and still land in the same overheated, underpowered place. There has to be a cooler, quieter, genuinely more powerful path forward that does not require a full desktop replacement and the associated desk clutter. That quiet dread builds every time you open your project file, and the system groans under the weight of your workflow. The fans spin up like a vacuum cleaner, the screen stutters, and your focus evaporates into frustration. You watch your productivity metrics drop while your energy drains away with every unnecessary fan cycle. A colleague in video editing described the constant battle between keeping the machine cool enough to function and keeping the noise level low enough to maintain sanity in a shared workspace. The thermal throttling kicks in just when you need maximum performance, and the whole experience feels like your computer is working against you rather than with you. You research upgrades, consider new systems, and still cannot confidently answer the one question that matters most. Will this actually run everything I need without drama, compromise, or constant fan noise? That uncertainty is genuinely exhausting, and it does not have to be your reality anymore. Then everything changed when I found the MINIX ER937-AI Mini PC sitting on a friend's desk, and the first honest test made every previous option feel immediately undersized by comparison. Do not just pick any mini PC. Make sure it has an AMD Ryzen AI 370 processor with 80 TOPS AI acceleration so you never suffer the thermal throttling, fan noise, and workflow collapse that ruins compact workstations again. Let me explain. This tiny powerhouse runs circles around larger desktops in real-world AI workloads. The 12-core processor with 24 threads and Radeon 890M graphics handles 3D rendering, video editing, and gaming without breaking a sweat. Quad 8K display output means you can run multiple high-resolution monitors simultaneously for trading, design, or content creation workflows. Dual 2.5 gigabit LAN and Wi-Fi 7 keep your network rock solid, even during large file transfers. The 32 gigabyte DDR5 RAM and 1 terabyte NVMe SSD ensure smooth multitasking across demanding applications. Fingerprint login adds security without compromising speed. This is the answer. Living daily with the MINIX ER937-AI Mini PC transforms your workflow from a constant battle against your hardware to a smooth, predictable experience. You stop watching the clock for renders to finish and start simply creating without the usual friction pulling you away from the work itself. That creative freedom is what serious professionals are genuinely chasing, and this machine delivers it reliably, day after day. An expert reviewer from ZDNet described the system as a tiny powerhouse with tons of power to spare, noting that local AI workloads ran exponentially faster on this compact machine compared to a larger desktop workstation. A hardware analyst highlighted the dual fan cooling system with vapor chamber as genuinely impressive for a mini PC, minimizing thermal throttling during extended workloads without excessive noise. A verified user running 4K video editing and AI rendering noted that the Radeon 890M handled everything smoothly, while the dual 2.5 gigabit LAN maintained rock-solid network stability during large file transfers. The fingerprint login adds security without any noticeable performance penalty, and the tool-free magnetic chassis makes upgrades genuinely straightforward when you need them. The most common hesitation involves the compact form factor and perceived upgrade limitations. Honest answer? The magnetic quick-release chassis provides toll-free access for RAM and SSD upgrades, and the second M.2 slot supports up to 8 terabytes of additional storage. Which matters more to you right now? The MINIX ER937-AI Mini PC quietly transforms how you experience work and creativity every single day, moving you from frustrated and overheated to genuinely productive and in control. A growing community of creators, professionals, and AI developers are already using it as their primary workstation, and the consistent field performance speaks clearly for itself. Results may vary based on your specific workload and environment. If a cooler, quieter, genuinely more powerful mini PC sounds like exactly what your workflow deserves, find the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment below. Take your time exploring it properly and experience the real difference starting today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.